Ever since I learned about the law of attraction in 2018, I've been manifesting specific people. Even as I moved into law of assumption and Neville, I always wanted specific people. Really one person, for the most part. I created my dream apartment. Listed everything I wanted, found it, toured it, got an accepted offer. It didn't have a garbage disposal at first, an item on my list, but the landlord told me on my tour that he already ordered one to install before I could even ask. I created my dream job after I changed career paths, listed what I wanted in a job, and then saw a posting literally the next day. It was so simple to create these other things, but that dang SP was proving to be difficult. I kept going though, because I was having so much fun and really didn't feel his absence. I created a version of him in my head that was everything I ever wanted and more. He was kind, compassionate, gentle, dry, a little nerdy, wanted a family and to create new traditions. I daydreamed about this version of him constantly. To my surprise, he showed up in the 3D, the complete opposite. I didn't think much of it, but I definitely stopped daydreaming about him. 2 weeks later, I meet a man who truly is all the things I wanted. He was the daydream version of my old SP, but he was right in front of me. He was holding me, kissing me, laughing with me. I thought, this is it. This is everything I've ever wanted and more, and I created this. I felt so secure with him that I felt my old attachment issues, past traumas no longer mattered. Why would I address the empty feeling I carried around before him when I was so in love with him right now? There's no way it could impact this connection. Cue the laughs from the studio audience. I never healed old wounds though of feeling inadequate. He was a perfect gentleman up to the very conversation he told me he met someone else who he thinks is more compatible with him, which immediately had me thinking there's no way that's true. You'll be back. Not in a mental diet corrective thought way. Those were literally my first reactions to the situation. Anyway. All this to say, you can create whatever you want, but remember your core beliefs too. Currently working through mine with a therapist, I've decided therapy will help me kill the old man because I created the exact person I wanted, so it's not that I'm not focused or living in the state, and I am so excited to be in the state with the love of my life where I can fully accept love.